So the question I got was the one you see on the screen, y equals negative 13 over 4x plus 7, and y equals negative 3 over 4x minus 9. The question actually added to solve by substitution, which is not something you've done yet. So if you are looking at this and you're confused, that's why. However, what I'm going to do now, since I was asked, I'm just going to reframe it for you. So you don't actually have to learn anything new here. I'm just going to rewrite the question in a different way, something you'll learn about later. Don't worry about it. And I'm going to solve it with you from there, because that is something you should be able to do. So I'm just going to take the two parts, the two secondhand parts, parts of just the x, and I'm going to make them equal to each other. So negative 13 over 4x is equal to negative 3 over 4x. Sorry, negative 13 over 4x plus 7 is equal to negative 3 over 4x minus 9. First of all, that's really crooked. That's because I'm not too good at this yet, but that's all right. We'll get there. So the first thing I want to do is want to get all my x's over on one side and all my y's over on another side. So what I think I'm going to do is I will, first of all, just change my color here, because why not? I can. Let's make it pink. I'm just going to do, plus 9 on both sides. Okay? So that leaves me, whoopsie, accidental little scribble there, but that's okay. Just ignore it. So that leaves me with negative 13 over 4 x. Don't forget those x's belong there. And then 7 plus 9 is what, guys? I'm sure you can do this in your heads. I know I can't do if I really try hard. It's 16 is equal to negative 3 over 4x. So the 9's are gone. Now, my next step is to bring this x right over here, negative 13 over 4x, to the other side. So what I'm going to do is I'll go back to my pink. That was very pretty. I'm going to go plus 13 over 4x. And plus 13 over 4x. So pull out your calculators or do whatever you need to do to figure out what 13 over 4x plus, or sorry, what negative 3 over 4x plus 13 over 4x will give you. And that'll leave you with 16 is equal to 10 over 4 x. All right. So now what we need to do is get rid of this 10 over 4. You can do a couple of things. If you like, you can switch that to a decimal because it's a nice, easy decimal to work with. So 16 is equal to 2.5x. I think this is the way most of you will choose to do this. And then divide both sides. Let's go back to pink. I'm really enjoying this color of pink. Divide both sides by whatever is being multiplied by the x. So divide both sides by 2.5. And 16